In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install the 2-in-1 combo seat in STAR electric vehicles. The parts you'll need to complete the installation include the footplate, along with two 7/16 inch by 3 inch hex bolts, the backrest frame, along with two M8 by 45 mm hex bolts and four M8 by 30 mm hex bolts, the right and left sidearm brackets, along with four 7/16 inch by 3 inch hex bolts and two 1/4 inch by 1.5 inch hex bolts, the bottom seat cushion frame with four 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch hex bolts, the golf bag holder, along with two 1/4 inch by 1 3/4 inch hex bolts, the backrest cushion, along with two 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch hex bolts, the bottom seat cushion, along with four 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch hex bolts, and the right and left armrest cushions, along with four 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch hex bolts. The tools required to complete the installation include an M8 socket, an M10 socket, a 7/16 inch socket, a 5/8 inch socket, a 7/16 inch wrench, a 5/8 inch wrench, and an optional impact drill. Before installing the 2-in-1 combo seat in STAR electric vehicles, you will first need to disassemble portions of the existing car as follows. Begin by removing the bolts that attach the canopy to the vertical supports, and then remove the canopy. Next, you will remove the rear vertical supports by removing the four bolts that attach it to the golf bag holder frame. Simply lift away the rear vertical supports. Next, you will remove the existing backrest cushion. To do this, simply remove the four screws which attach it to the golf bag holder frame. Then lift the backrest cushion away. Next, remove the golf bag holder and wire basket frame. To do this, you will remove the four hex bolts from the four corners of the frame. This completes the disassembly procedure. You are now ready to install the 2-in-1 combo seat in STAR electric vehicles. Begin the installation by re-drilling the two holes in the bagwell floor using a 1/2 inch drill bit. Next, position the footplate under the vehicle and align the holes in the footplate with the re-drilled holes. Then tighten the hex bolts using an impact drill. Next, you will install the backrest frame. Position the backrest frame over the engine compartment. Place four M8 by 30 mm hex bolts in the four corners of the frame and tighten using an impact drill. The next step is to install the right and left sidearm brackets. Position the sidearm brackets so that they rest on top of the footplate. Then attach the brackets to the backrest frame with the two 1/4 inch by 1.5 inch hex bolts. Next, secure the sidearm brackets to the top of the footplate using the 4 7/16 inch by 3 inch hex bolts. Then tighten all bolts using an impact drill. Next, you will install the bottom seat cushion frame. Place the seat cushion frame horizontally onto the backrest frame and rest it on the sidearm brackets. Using the 4 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch hex bolts, secure the bottom seat cushion frame to the backrest frame at the hinges. Then tighten all bolts. Next, place the bottom seat cushion on top of the horizontal seat cushion frame. Raise the seat cushion frame while holding the seat cushion in place and align the holes. Secure the bottom seat cushion to the seat cushion frame with the 4 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch hex bolts. Then tighten all 4 bolts. Next, you will install the backrest cushion. Position the backrest cushion on top of the hinged portion of the backrest frame. Align the holes in the cushion with the holes in the backrest frame. Insert the 2 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch hex bolts through the backrest frame and into the backrest cushion and tighten all bolts. Next, you will install the golf bag holder. Lift the bottom seat cushion and the hinged backrest cushion to the latched position. Secure the golf bag holder to the underside of the bottom seat cushion. Then secure the golf bag holder to the cushion using the 2 1/4 inch by 1 3/4 inch hex bolts. Next, attach the armrest cushions to the right and left sidearm brackets using the 4 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch hex bolts. Then tighten all bolts. Next, reinstall the front backrest cushion using the 4 existing Phillips head screws. The next step is to drill 2 holes on the inside of the existing vertical canopy supports. Begin by placing some electrical tape onto the inside of the vertical support. Measure 6.5 inches using the existing holes as a guide and make your marks. Then drill 2 pilot holes all the way through on those marks. Next, using a 1/2 inch drill bit, re-drill the pilot holes all the way through. Repeat this procedure on the inside of the other vertical canopy support. Next, place the vertical canopy support frame between the two backrest cushions. Secure the vertical supports to the backrest frame using the existing hardware. Reattach the canopy at the four corners using the existing hardware. This completes the installation of the 2-in-1 combo seat for Star electric vehicles. If you have any further questions regarding this installation, please contact your local dealer.